a previous spacewalk prior to STS-118 on July 23rd as an expedition spacewalk with Commander Fyodor Yurchikhin.
And just out of the airlock right now, and I'll get in config to get the waist tethers all hooked up, the safety tethers, I should say.
Okay. Dave Williams beginning the third spacewalk of his career, having logged 12 hours, 45 minutes of spacewalking time on this mission.
Getting ready to put my... Okay, Clay, I've got you there just on my side. Good job, man.
Thank you, sir. All right. Now, if you can rotate toward me.
Okay. That can work.
Clay Anderson now joining Dave Williams outside the Quest airlock. Anderson will assist Williams to restow the hand controller on his safer unit.
Way to go.
Good job, man.
All right, stand by.
Really appreciate it.
Well done.
Yeah, you owe me big time.
I appreciate it.
And a good view of the Quest airlock. On the top, some of the, around the circumference of the airlock itself, the high pressurized oxygen and nitrogen tanks that are used to resupply the airlock for U.S.-based spacewalks. On the far right side of your screen, you see the Zarya module, the Russian segment of the station, and at the very top of Zarya is the Soyuz TMA-10 spacecraft.
And that's 2 turns?
2 turns.
Okay, that can work.
Okay. Hey, Clay, you got that bag where you want it?
Good, with an adjustable off my wrist and the large small that's on the bag on handrail 556. And the thermal cover's closed. I'm going to look for Missy.
Alpha 6.
A good view of one of the materials for ISS experiment packages, known as Missy. Again, a variety of witness plates and materials experiments in these boxes that fold up like a suitcase.
3 turns on the lower.
Attached to the Quest airlock, the 4th and 5th in a series of such experiments that will be detached through a series of retention pins that will be pulled out, and these experiment packages brought back inside to be returned to Earth.
Okay, Bravo 1, counterclockwise 2.
Okay, stand by. How you doing, Clay?
I'm good. I got a handrail waiting for you.
Okay, sounds good. Okay. And, well, thank you, Clay.
You're welcome.
That's great. Which direction? Oh, wow.
Top to the starboard side.
Ooh, man. Yeah, I can't miss that. Holy smoke. That's impressive.
Can you see the eye?
Oh, yeah. Yep, definitely.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Man, that's impressive.
Scary. Only impressive when they're not coming to you.
That's true.
A good view from the Port 1 truss camera on the International Space Station, showing the 2 spacewalkers, Dave Williams, Clay Anderson, as they wrap up work fastening and mating electrical connectors for this wireless instrumentation antenna at the forward end of the Destiny laboratory. They are in the neighborhood right there of the docking interface between the forward docking port on Destiny, pressurized mating adapter number 2, and the orbiter docking system.
Good job, man.
PGT's clear.
Copy that. Thanks, man. Thermal cover's coming close.
All right. Unfortunately, Dan has only one landing, yes, he comes very fast. And here again, Endeavor done with all jobs here, and done very well. Had some problems, but very well and very good job here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for everybody. And we ready. We will be here just a little more than 2 months. Come back again.
And you guys are my first crew, and you'll always be my first crew. Thanks for everything.
Physical separation, Houston.
Roger, physical separation.
Copy.
Undocking confirmed. Endeavour set sail from the International Space Station. Next port of call, Kennedy Space Center, Florida, Tuesday afternoon.
MCC Houston, MCC Huntsville, MCC Moscow. Endeavor from ISS. Endeavor departure.
Thanks for everything, Scott and Endeavor crew. Godspeed. I was proud to be a part of STS-118. And Endeavor, have a good landing.
Thank you very much, Scott, and all your crew, and have a good trip to S. And say hello at home, everybody from us too.
And to the ISS crew, we couldn't have gotten everything we accomplished without you guys. We thank you very much. We look forward to seeing you back on planet Earth.
Yes, Scott, thank you. Until we see again.
Endeavour's Commander Scott Kelly taking over the flight of Endeavour to move around the imaginary cylinder and set up for the final approach at the desired heading, altitude, airspeed, and rate of descent towards the Kennedy Space Center shuttle landing facility, just under 4 minutes to touchdown. Endeavour is flying around the imaginary heading alignment circle. Just under 3 minutes to touchdown. Endeavour flying at an altitude of 28,000 feet at 500 miles per hour.
Endeavour, on at the 180.
On at the 180.
Endeavour, on at the 90.
On at the 90.
Endeavour continuing around the heading alignment circle, 2 minutes to touchdown, flying at an altitude of 17,000 feet, traveling at 400 miles per hour.
Houston, Endeavor, field in sight.
Houston copies.
Transceivers on Endeavour are interacting with the microwave landing system stations on the ground to provide the best available range, elevation, and azimuth information to the onboard computers and the cockpit instruments. 1 minute and 20 seconds to touchdown. Endeavour's on path for the targeted landing at the Kennedy Space Center. 1 minute to touchdown. Endeavor's descent rate is 20 times higher and 7 times steeper than a commercial airliner on this final approach to the Kennedy Space Center landing facility.